Okay, so I'm back in the garden today. Well, we had a storm kind of come through last night. It was looking pretty bad, and it kind of settled down a little bit. And apparently we had some straight line winds. I had in my garden over there, I had peppers in cages, and they were toppled over. And I have a, which I've shown before, my elderberry in a pot, and it was toppled over. So it was pretty strong winds. And then I came out here and I was like, oh, like I had these peppers over here. They fell down a little bit. I gotta pick those up right there. Then I can see these tomatoes kind of got flipped over. I haven't tied them down yet. And you can see the comfrey is blown over here. Oh, look at those tomatoes. They're giant. Here's my hand. Wait a minute. Like, it doesn't even fit in my hand. It's humongous. I don't remember what those are. I thought they were fancy. I got a few carrots. I was trying to go through. Let's see, I have another pepper plant over here, serrano, I need to pin up. Oops, I just stepped on my carrots. The peppers held up with my posts, which I did them just in time. These flowers didn't do too great. They fell over. The zinnias held up. Step over the carrots. Oh, and this is comfrey. I kind of thought the little purple flowers didn't look like bee balm, but I couldn't remember. So this is comfrey. I have bee balm over in my raised bed garden. I don't remember if I showed, I got these tomatoes all pulled up. I showed this part. This is still a disaster. I gotta clean up in here. That bee balm died, which I think I said before. And you can see, look at the tomatoes, they're all blown that way. That's all from what we believe is straight line winds, which no one ever said anything about it on the news. Well, I don't watch a lot of news, so. But I hadn't heard. But then, like, all these are blown over on this side too, all my tomatoes. But then I went over here to my green beans, my, I don't know what you call it. But this I made, that my husband made. Oh, look at this. Even my rake got blown over, and this has been here like this for a long time. So there's that. My trellis. Look at this. If I can get to it. It's leaning. It's supposed to be way over here. Now the other side is still kind of forward, but it's really bent. Sorry, the sun's there. I'm like, what the heck? That's like conduit. And I still gotta clean up this. I've had my grandson for 3 days. He's 4. So he keeps me super busy. Well, because of the storm, he was over and we were taking him home. Then the weather got bad. So they're like, just hold off a little while. Our power keeps going on and off, and ours hadn't yet at that time. And then ours started going on and off, but we never lost power. But it was supposed to get bad, like after midnight. So he just stayed. So I'm just now getting out here. I had to rest a little bit before I came out. He likes me to chase him. So that's what we do. So here's this side. You can see how straight this one is. Let's see if I can zoom. You can see how it bent down there. Super crazy. Peppers are over here. The string's held up, it looks like. My peppers are still standing. I got a couple orange ones there. This one's tipped over a little bit. to wrap the string around it some more. I gotta pick these peppers. And this is where it starts to fall over. So, well, I got my peppers over here doing better than my other part. Might have a few cucumbers coming. See if I can get it to go up this string. I got some more started. So I gotta fill up these pots. Well, that one, and I'll use those. But my trellis, I gotta get my green beans. There's a couple here. Oh, and I did get one cucumber. I got cucumbers started. Got a bunch of lettuce. So I got a bunch of green beans I gotta get. Here's the dragon tongue, which is kind of too big. Like I said, I haven't been out here for 2 days because my grandson was here. So I gotta pick all those. We got some parsley and some more blue spice. Basil. Got a lot of green tomatoes here. More blue spice basil. It's so funny. It's just a joke now. It's like no matter where I go, it's there. This is doing okay. Oh, I saw now. Oh, there's one right there. I think so far there's only 2. This is the Waltham butternut squash. And I remembered. Oh, there's the other one over here. That's a pretty big one. But so far, I think there's just 2. I thought I saw a baby one somewhere. Some of it's dying, so I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. But there's my tomatoes falling over. These are doing okay. My grapes, which I had grapes, but by the time they got purple, they were gone. I did try a couple of them. They're pretty tasty. Maybe someday. Here's a remnant right here. This one's survived on the post. They survived. I don't know, that one's even tied up. So, oh, yuck. That was yucky. This tomato here is embedded in the cattle panel and the post. And it's a nice one. This is another kind of, oh my God, look at that. That's disgusting. Ah, they're taking over. Can you see them? Yuck. I gotta go get something. I guess I'm gonna put domaceous earth on them. Oh my gosh. I don't know what those things are called, but they're really ugly and I don't think they're good. Here's all my tomatoes in bags. Do I have any peppers? Oh, I got a couple of these Marconi reds. They're pretty big. These don't have anything on them yet. But my zucchini's coming up. There's one. There's one. These are actually yellow squash. And the zucchini's over here. And over there, which hasn't come up yet. And my lemon balm. And look at that. More blue spice basil. And okay, here's what I got going on. So we have this daddle, which I don't have. Oh, these are from 2024. So this is what I got this year. This does not look like what I got last year. So I guess something crossed or something. This is another daddle from 24 that I saved seeds. And then this is this one. They're both completely different. Completely different. And they came out of the same seed packet of my saved seeds. So that's why I don't always get what I want. There's a red one. That does not look like the daddle I did. But now I didn't even realize that they save seeds ones. So that explains a lot. Something got crossed. Oh, we got a red one over here. This is Jimmy Nardello. Haven't got to try one of these yet. Oh, I have a onion here I need to pull. No, it's not falling over completely. So, guess that's all for now. I still haven't got to clean this up yet. I don't know when I am, actually. Depends on the weather tomorrow. And all those tomatoes. I guess that's all for now. There's some other big ones. These things are pretty big. Look at that thing. And it doesn't look big in the camera, but it's like as big as my hand, which I can't really. There's my hand next to it. It's huge. There's some parsley, some, oh shoot, I don't remember what that is. Leeks? I think those are leeks. I gotta clean this up. More blue spice. It's all over. It's here, 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 here. And my fallen tomatoes. This year, I don't know. And I gotta do something with all the evening primrose. I think I read that's medicinal. So we'll see what I can do with that. Pull a lot of that out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's just gonna keep coming back, just like that blue spice basil. Well, hopefully only one more year here. Let's hope. Let's see. There's another baby one of those. Oh, there's another one here. Oh yeah, I gotta go get that bug stuff. Okay, I'll finish up here and we'll come back again later. Okay, since I can't find my puffer for my diatomaceous earth, I'm going to use this for now. And I'll look for that. So I can use the diatomaceous earth tomorrow night or something. Let's see, they're still there. A couple more. Right there. They're falling. Oh, there's a squash bug too. There he goes. I think that's what it is. I don't have anything to smash them. I'm not using my finger. I'll smush them with the leaf. I don't want to do that either. Yuck. I think I got them. Spray this down here. Oh, there's another one. It's right there. I better spray that one too. Oh, there's another squash bug. They're all over. Hope this helps. Sorry if you couldn't see it. It's kind of hard. Oh, there he goes. I don't know if this works on them or not. The other guys went running, whatever they were. I'll figure it out and I'll do something to tell you. I need a new editor program to add words and stuff. Ooh, there goes more. They're right there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. They're all over the place. For someone who hates bugs and spiders, you wouldn't think I'd be a gardener. But if I could do a flamethrower, I would. Well, it's dripping, so hopefully we got them. We'll check tomorrow. I'll have to read up what they do so I know what to look for. If you know, you can leave a comment. That'd be great. Let me go over here. This is one of the, I only had a couple of them survive, so I don't know if there's any over here. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a different one, I think. having a field day. I don't know where he went. Just gonna spray everything because they're all over, apparently. There's another one. Not a bug, but a baby thingy. There's a baby one. Oh, nope, that's a cucumber bug. Cucumber beetle. Okay. Let's see, was there something else I was gonna do or say? I don't remember. I think that's all. A hair bee, look at him. Big one. See any on this one? I can look around, I don't see nothing. Just on that one plant. Of course, I got to the other one I had. I can't remember what it was called. It was something else. Oh, look at this. There they are. Let me take this off. Ouch. I better check some more. Gotta get down low. I think that's all. Well, I don't know that's all. That's all I see in this area. Better go on the other side and look. Well, I think that's all I see so far. Take this dead one off here. Oh, there's a branch down here. Let's check this one. All right, that's all I see so far. Good thing I decided to come down here. I was like, I should come. Oh, there's another one. See, I saw it from the backside. Ouch. Those are gross. Those look different than this one, though. I don't know if they're same or different or just bigger. Guess they're just bigger. All right, let me break this branch off. Oh, not branch, the leaf. That's two. And see, I only saw it because on the other side. I doubt that's all. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit. Spray down here some. Okay. Guess that's all for now. So I think of something else.